Predicting the exact state of the Earth in 2050 is difficult as it depends on various factors such as technological advancements, political decisions, and global events. However, based on current trends and projections, we can make some educated guesses about what the Earth may be like in 2050. Climate change. Climate change refers to long-term changes in the Earth's climate, including changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and sea level. The Earth's average temperature is projected to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius by 2050 if greenhouse gas emissions continue at current levels. This could lead to more frequent and severe natural disasters such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods. Coastal cities may also be at risk of flooding due to rising sea levels. Climate change could also lead to changes in weather patterns that could affect food production and water availability. For example, droughts could lead to reduced crop yields, and changes in precipitation patterns could lead to more frequent and severe floods. To mitigate the effects of climate change, countries around the world are working to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. This includes shifting to renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power, improving energy efficiency, and increasing the use of electric vehicles. However, there are also challenges to the widespread adoption of renewable energy, such as the cost of implementing large-scale projects, the intermittency of solar and wind energy, and the need for new infrastructure. Technology. Technology refers to the tools, machines, and processes used to solve problems or improve efficiency. In 2050, technology is expected to continue advancing rapidly, and this could have a significant impact on Earth. For example, artificial intelligence and machine learning are expected to play an increasingly important role in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. This could lead to new breakthroughs in areas such as precision medicine, autonomous vehicles, and 3D printing. In addition, biotechnology and nanotechnology could lead to new breakthroughs in areas such as medicine and materials science. For example, researchers may develop new treatments for diseases, or new materials that are more durable or lighter than existing materials. Technology could also play a critical role in addressing environmental challenges such as climate change. For example, new materials and technologies could be developed to capture and store carbon emissions. In addition, smart grid technology could help to make energy systems more efficient and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Population growth. Population growth refers to the increase in the number of people living in a particular area. The global population is projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050. This could put additional strain on natural resources and lead to increased urbanization. However, the rate of population growth is expected to slow in many parts of the world, and in some countries, the population may even decline. Population growth could have implications for areas such as healthcare, education, and the labor market. For example, there may be increased demand for healthcare services, or a shortage of skilled workers in certain industries. Urbanization. Urbanization refers to the process of people moving from rural areas to urban areas. By 2050, it is expected that 2/3 of the world's population will live in urban areas. This could lead to increased demand for resources such as water and energy. It could also put additional pressure on transportation infrastructure. However, there are also potential benefits to urbanization, such as increased access to services and economic opportunities. To address the challenges of urbanization, governments and city planners are working to create more sustainable and livable cities. For example, cities are investing in public transportation, green spaces, and energy-efficient buildings. In addition, there is a growing trend towards smart cities, which use technology to improve the efficiency and sustainability of urban systems. Food and water security. Food and water security refers to the availability and access to food and water. The demand for food and water is expected to increase in the coming years due to population growth and changing dietary habits. By 2050, there may be additional challenges to food and water security due to the effects of climate change. For example, droughts could lead to reduced crop yields and water shortages. To address these challenges, there is a growing focus on sustainable agriculture and water management. This includes using technology to improve the efficiency of irrigation and reduce water waste, as well as developing new crop varieties that are more resilient to drought and other environmental stressors. In addition, there is a growing focus on reducing food waste and improving food distribution to ensure that everyone has access to nutritious and affordable food. Energy. Energy refers to the power used to run machines, equipment, and systems. In 2050, demand for energy is expected to continue to increase, driven by factors such as population growth and economic development. To meet this demand, there is a growing focus on renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. However, there are also challenges to the widespread adoption of renewable energy, such as the cost of implementing large-scale projects and the need for new infrastructure. In addition to renewable energy, there is also a focus on improving energy efficiency. This includes using technology to make buildings and appliances more energy efficient, as well as promoting sustainable transportation such as electric vehicles and public transportation. Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of plant and animal species in an ecosystem. The Earth's biodiversity is under threat due to factors such as climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution. In 2050, there may be additional challenges to biodiversity due to the effects of climate change and other environmental stressors. To address these challenges, there is a growing focus on conservation and restoration of natural habitats. This includes protecting endangered species, restoring degraded ecosystems, and reducing the impact of human activities on the environment. In conclusion, the Earth in 2050 is likely to be shaped by a combination of factors including climate change, technology, population growth, urbanization, food and water security, energy, and biodiversity. While there are many challenges that will need to be addressed, there is also potential for positive change and progress towards a more sustainable and equitable future.